Do you translate every sentence in your head before speaking? That's why you speak slower and why your English doesn't sound natural. Today I'm going to show you how to think directly in English so you can speak faster and with confidence. Hi, I'm Tef. I've been teaching English to students worldwide, preparing for job interviews, exams, and university life abroad. One thing I've noticed is that the students who stop translating in their head start speaking fluently much faster. In this lesson, I'll share my 3-step method to start thinking in English with real examples that you can start using today. And stay with me till the end because I'll be sharing one bonus exercise that my advanced students use to train their brains to stay in English mode all day long. So here's how it works. Most people use English when in class or when in a conversation with others. But your brain starts faster when you make English part of your daily thinking process. So how do we do it? Well, start describing what you see. I'm sitting on a chair, my laptop is on the table, and the window is open. Describe what you're doing. I'm enjoying my tea, I'm checking my phone, or maybe I'm waiting for my friend. You can also start describing what's around you in detail. Like the sky is a little cloudy, the wind is cold. And don't just describe what you see. Imagine what's going to happen next or what happened before. For example, I'm going to prepare dinner after this. Or I went to the supermarket earlier. This way you're practicing present, past and future tenses naturally without actually trying to memorize any grammar rules in isolation. If you're shy, you can do this silently in your head. But speaking out loud is better because your brain connects thought, sound and speech. If you live alone, great, nobody will hear you. But if you don't, maybe pretend you're talking over the phone. Let me know in the comments. Do you already talk to yourself in English? Or is this something you're going to try today? Many learners memorize individual words, but this causes slow thinking because you have to build the sentence in your mind like Lego pieces. A chunk is a group of words you learn together as one unit, so you don't have to think about the grammar rules when speaking. For example, would you mind if I, as a matter of fact, I'm looking forward to. Native speakers don't think about grammar rules while speaking. They use ready-made word combinations they've heard many times. When you learn chunks, you can respond instantly because your brain pulls out the whole phrase, not individual words. Just pick one chunk and use it in 3 sentences every day. For example, let's take I'm looking forward to. You can say I'm looking forward to my vacation. I'm looking forward to my weekend. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Tell me your favorite English chunk in the comments. I might use it in my next video. Movies, TV shows and YouTube videos give you real-life language, not just textbook English. So how to watch for maximum learning? Step 1. Watch with English subtitles on. Step 2. Pause when you hear a useful phrase. Step 3. Repeat the phrase out loud, copying the actor's tone. Once you're comfortable, try watching without subtitles even for a short time each day. It will train your listening skills and also force your brain to stay in English mode. What's your favorite TV show or movie to learn English from? Comment below so we can share ideas. An English zone is a time or space in your day where only English is allowed. It could be your morning routine, your commute, or even 30 minutes before bed. Take a few easy steps to begin with. Change your phone language to English. Write a to-do list in English. Or listen to an English podcast while cooking. The more you practice these steps, the less your brain switches back to your native language, and the faster you'll start thinking directly in English. Go ahead, practice these steps. Comment below after 7 days and tell me what changed. I'll be reading and replying. And if you enjoyed this lesson, like the video and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. See you again.